So today's video is how to replace the control panel overlay on the Gecko K85 series control panel, which is this control panel. This particular hot tub is made by Dynasty Spas, and I've ordered an overlay to match this one that's on here now. And that's just a simple process of peeling the old one off and cleaning it, and then applying the new overlay with the adhesive sticky back. However, unlike a lot of the other hot tubs, this one has this bezel around it, and it's not too self-intuitive as to how to remove that. So that's why I've given this video. If you'll notice, there are, get a little pointer here, there are small slots, one here, and then again on this side. I'll be able to see them in there. So what you need to do is, and I've already got this off, so I'm going to show you the back side. There are some small clips. You turn this thing over once it's off, you'll see there's a clip here, and one here, and one here. But what you can't see, and they don't give you a notch for, is there are also a small clip on the end here, right there, and another one, well, it used to be over here in this area, but in the process of removing this bezel, I broke that little clip, which is not a problem because there's still 4 other clips to hold it down. So when this thing is on, you have a way to get in there with your little screwdriver and push this back, releasing the clip here, and then do the same thing here, or this side and this side, and that will release this. You can pull on it a little bit and lift it up. Then you get you a screwdriver, small one, and start working around the edge over here and pop that clip off loose from here. Do this end, and with this loose, then you can more or less push this forwards and release these 2 clips here and here, like so. Here and here. And then once you get that off, without breaking it, hopefully, then you can replace the overlay underneath. And I'm not going to video that because, like I said, that's pretty self-intuitive. But dear, this is what this thing looks like underneath if you're trying to figure it out. You can't figure it out, and you can't see it, and of course, until you get it off. That's the side that the clip's missing on the end. But here you can just barely make out where the clip used to be right there. Looking down on top of that piece, you can see, let me get my finger in there, you'll see that little lip right there. That's what's holding it down, in that little spot right there on both sides. So you need something, because there's the other one for this side. You need something that you can get in there, like so, stick a screwdriver in it, and then kind of twist it like that to pry this corner out. I even thought about a little pick, something like that, you know, where you can get up underneath it, grab a hold of it, and then pull it out some. But that's what you're dealing with, guys. Hope that helps. Y'all take it easy.